self-care session. So here's what I got. I got something from what I got from Watsons. So just 4 things. This is my foam cleanser, which is the Fresh Skin Lab Tomato Glass Skin. We'll be using this every morning. Next is my hair care. I'll try a new set of products, a new brand for my girly girl method. This is the My Strong Hair Fix Professional Power Curls Shampoo. Then their Leave On Hair Lotion. And last is the Power Curls Conditioner. This is everything that I got from Watsons. Now let's move on to the parcel. So my thing in the parcel, I think it's my Popmart. So here's it. It's the Popmart. So I'll open it. SkullPanda. The sound. So what I was hoping is this, the trust, or if not, I think I'll go with ecstasy, or admiration, or joy, or anger, and kahit ano na lang. Pero sana within this 1, 2, 3, 4. The nail is not giving talaga. Ay! Yeah. This is my first ever Popmart. Uy, sinira ko yung boxes. I'm so sorry. Ayan. It's the card. Who is this? Pensiveness. Oh, I like it. Oh my gosh, I like it. The pensiveness. It's not the pink one. But I guess. Oh, it's so pretty. And their mask is here. Ano ito nilalagay ba? Uy, paano siya? Ganun. Ganito kasi yun. Ay, may mag... Ta-da! That's it for my unboxings. I'll continue the vlog.